Are you interested in trading? Are you a subscriber of my channel? Do you have questions? I've got answers. You want to talk trading? Let's hear it. I'll be taking questions and seeing how this goes. You know, I don't usually live stream Q&As. I've done a live stream Q&A once. So this will be the second time. And I guess we're celebrating 29K subscribers because we just hit 29,000 subscribers, which is very fun. And I appreciate you guys because that wouldn't be possible without you. So I appreciate you. And I can't wait for 30,000 and 50,000 and 100,000. Let's keep this baby moving. So do you have questions about trading? If you do have questions about trading, post them in the chat here and I'll answer your questions. It is a beautiful day here in sunny San Diego. I'm in a little bit north of San Diego. I'm in Carlsbad, California. And the markets today were trash. The markets today were absolutely trash. Bitcoin's racing, but I trade the ES, which is the S&P 500 futures, and it just barely moved today. So if you trade the ES, it was a very boring day. Very boring day. In fact, it was so boring. There's not that many days like that move like so small. So I hope you did well today if you were trading. Let me know what you were trading in the chat. And if you have questions, post them in the chat and I'll answer them. We got a question coming in from Aura Boreas. I need to admit something, and this is a random place to say it. Oh my God. I literally got excited for a second because I I thought your question was legit. Okay, we've got some comedians in the chat. Okay, Ajax, you look like Josh Peck. Who's Josh Peck? I don't even know who that is. They told me I look like the guy from Linkin Park. Rest in peace. But anyways, do you guys have questions about trading? Let's talk about trading. Or not. But, you know, I love trading. This channel's about trading. It's called Trades by Bren. So, you know, I'm assuming you guys are interested in the topic. Are you? Do you have questions? Let's do a trading Q&A. I think it's pretty hilarious, Ouroboros. I am not using a filter. No, I'm not using a filter. Yeah, what the fuck is wrong with him? Well, he has a comedic brain. That's the problem. And when you have a funny brain, you come up with funny ideas. That's a funny idea. This guy's going around to people's live streams and asking that question. That's funny to me. I have a sense of humor, but I do like talking about trading too. And this is a channel about trading. So ask me your trading questions. Ask me your trading questions. Were you guys trading today? And if you did trade, what'd you trade? I placed a crypto trade today. I don't usually trade crypto, but I did place a long position on Ethereum. So we'll see how that goes. I think it's long, and I think, well, it's moving up. It's obviously moving up, so hopefully we'll get a nice move up. Oh my God, someone said trade Trump. That's funny. Doesn't look like that's gonna happen, my friend. That guy just, well, they can't stop him. They just can't stop him. So we'll see. We'll see if that continues. It's an election. Who knows? But we'll see. Is NVIDIA heading for the same fate? I don't know what you mean. I think NVIDIA's pretty amazing. I love this, dude. See, I thought we were gonna get on here and talk about trading, but we got comedians in the chat. This is awesome. Oh my god, now it's getting raunchy. Yeah, great question. You go first. Someone said Trump broke the someone said Trump broke the Guinness World Record for the biggest ear piercing. That's funny. Fish and chippies, exactly. Just realized my skin is edible. Time to feed the homeless. Oh, that's such a good idea. Imagine if there was a chemical that someone could invent and it would make anyone's skin edible. We could feed the whole world. What a brilliant mind you have. You guys are funny. Ask me your trading questions. Ask me your trading questions. Otherwise, I'm cutting the stream. We got 55 people on the stream. That's awesome. This is impressive. 55 people on the live stream. That's amazing. Agent 69 says I look like Austin Theory. Who is Austin Theory? Should I Google it? Yeah, well, I'm not I'm not BBC, so I can't help you with that. My favorite color? Probably red. Ask me your trading questions. Let's do trading Q&A, guys. That's the name of this live stream. Did you see it? When is the bull run started? With what? The running of the bulls. I think we're getting into some of the opposite at the moment in the overall market. What are your trading questions, guys? Let's hear it. Oh my God. You nasty. You nasty. What's the highest I made off trade? Like the biggest trade win? I don't know. A few thousand? I think 3,500, something like that. But I'm not usually going for big wins. I'm going for consistency. Smaller wins, more consistent. Sometimes big wins. But don't get caught up on that. Hudson, I lost about $1,000 on Luna coin. Yeah, I lost money on Luna as well. I feel for you. You only do mutual funds now. That's not a bad option, right? I do mutual funds as well. But you know that you can trade those same funds on a day trade on a day trading basis, right? Like I trade the S&P 500. Day trading though. Long-term trading and short-term trading. So you can approach it different ways, right? Long-term holds, long-term investing, ETFs, mutual funds. It's to me it's like the most predictable way to get rich. Everyone pretty much agrees. So that's great. But you can day trade those things as well, which is kind of fun. All right. Yeah, I don't know about crypto, right? Crypto, well, it's still relatively new to the financial industry. It's over 10 years now, so it's not that new, but to be determined on Bitcoin, right? So we'll see how crypto does. Yeah, we'll see. I think it's a big question mark. I still think the technology is great, but they just haven't seemed to find a use for it. So right now it's just something you trade, right? Shout out to FX 2020. He's sending love from India. That's amazing. Shout out to India. What part of India are you from? That's a big ass country. Okay, shout out to, let's give some shout outs. Is it true that if you understand, guys, this is a trading Q&A, so ask me your trading questions. Is it true that if you understand graphics, you can trade whatever you want? Do you mean patterns? If you mean patterns, then yeah. You'll see the same patterns on all charts, like double tops, double bottoms, wedge tops, wedge bottoms. You can draw trend lines, right? Just look on any chart. You can draw a trend line. So you can use those things to trade anything. Yeah, you can. Okay, let's see. How about 10K USD in mutual funds? What do you mean? What's your question? I don't see a question. I like Forex, but the risk is so high. The risk is not that high with Forex. You can trade really small with Forex. You can trade like you can make like $5 trades with Forex. You can make even less than $5 trades with Forex. So it's for trading Forex is probably the lowest risk that you could trade, as long as you control your risk. The risk is up to you. You control your risk. It's not the thing that controls the risk. It's you. That's what, when you're day trading, it's you that controls the risk. You have to set the risk parameters. That's why it's hard for people, because they don't want to think about risk. They only want to think about reward. They want to think about making money. They don't want to think about how much they're risking losing. But you got to understand that you are taking risk, and then you have to define how much you're willing to take. Simple. Easier said than done, though. I get that. Okay. Forex trading is illegal in India. That sucks. Do you think the risk on all your trades the same or vary the size? Mostly the same. Yeah, but the stop loss I use is based on the technical chart that I'm reading, right? So if I'm entering a trade after there have been, let's say I'm entering on a breakout trade, right? Like what you see happening on Bitcoin right now, right? If you look at the Bitcoin chart, Bitcoin's breaking out to the upside. So I'm going to put my stop loss below a prior low, right? So I don't decide my risk based on a fixed amount of money, although I do have a daily loss limit. So there's a max limit in terms of the risk I'm willing to take that day. But per trade, it's based on the technical chart. And I let the chart tell me where to put that stop. And then I will make sure that I'm not going over potentially my daily loss limit by using leverage. But I don't use a lot of leverage. I try and keep the leverage to a minimum, because that's the easiest way to kill your profits often, and to like screw up your emotions. Because if you increase your risk, you increase the emotions, and then oftentimes you will panic, which is a real problem in day trading. So it's good to keep the leverage small, at least when you're still learning. I'm 3 years in. I'm 3 years in, traded just about every morning for 3 years now, and I'm still learning a lot. Okay, so yeah, I will not be throwing on a lot of leverage anytime soon. You have to be very patient, very, 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 very patient with trading, and I'm the most patient. I'm Mr. Patience. Okay. Will you ever think about running for president of the universe? I think you have the potential. Thank you. I'll consider it. What do you think about binary options? Have no idea about what that is. Can I make $1 million, Richard? Yeah. Bro gets zero leverage. Anyone else hear him just fart in the background? Damn, dude, you called me out. No, I didn't fart. That's funny though. People are talking about politics. I mean, I guess there's a lot going on as far as that goes, but this is not about politics, guys. Let's be clear. Can other countries use your country's broker? I don't know. Okay, ask me your trading questions. It's a trading Q&A. You saw it on the live stream before you joined. You know you joined a trading Q&A, so ask me your trading questions. Otherwise, get the hell out of here. How is 1 million possible? How long will it take? I mean, you could do it in a day. You could do it. It could take 10,000 days. It could take 10 million days. It could take you It could take you 10 million days to make $1 million. Totally depends, man. Totally depends. How much are you willing to risk? That's the real question. How much are you willing to risk? All right, tell me your trading questions. Post your trading questions in the chat. Welcome to the live stream. My name is Bram. This is Trades by Bram. I hope you're doing well. We're having a nice little trading chat, and we're here. We're chilling. We're relaxing. I had a stressful trading day this morning. It was very frustrating. I thought that we were going to get a move down this morning on the S&P 500 futures, and we did not. In fact, we got to move up at the end of the day. But it was a very, 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 very small range for most of the day, and there's just a very little opportunity today. So it was stressful. That was stressful for me. Why? Because I had an expectation. If I didn't have an expectation, I probably would have been fine. But I had an expectation. I was pretty sure about the expectation, and the expectation didn't happen. And that's stressful. When your expectations don't meet reality, you got to let go of those expectations. So I did. I hit my daily loss limit, and I got the fuck out. And that's the way you handle that. All right, real question. If you were to suck on an eggplant every day, would it help you make more money? Yes. Have you posted proof of your returns anywhere to use a verification service that hooks directly into your broker like Kinfo? No, but I'll look into that. Can you show us some real trading? Well, not right now. The markets are closed. This is a Q&A. So when we're not trading the markets, we talk about trading, we learn about trading, sharpen our skills. So that's what this is for. All right, Cyber Future. I've been a trader for a while, and one of my favorite pastimes is buying $50 to $100 index funds, ETFs, as a put or a call on a Thursday, and then selling them on the following week's Tuesday. You should try it. That sounds like trading. That's just like, why wouldn't you just trade normal? Why do you have to do it on certain days? I don't get it. Do you think those days are special or something? Why would you only trade on one day of the week when you could trade more days out of the week? I don't get that. Can you show us some real trading? I'll show you some real trading Tuesday, Thursday. Check out my live stream on this channel every Thursday and Tuesday, 7 a.m. Pacific. Okay, so I don't think anyone's asked. Well, has anyone asked any trading questions? It's less risky as the market closes. The stock tends to do lower a little. Okay, what stock? This is like a very vague thing you're saying that could be applied to a million things. Yeah, so Tuesday and Thursday, 7 a.m. Pacific, if you're curious. Or you can, all the videos are uploaded. You can just go watch the videos. You can watch them right now instead of watching this. I think I have, I don't know, 2-3 months of recordings. More than that, probably. No. Tuesday's supposed to be one of the highest price, predictable. Have you tested that? Who says who? Yeah, I know these index funds you're talking about, but I don't get this whole one day out of the weeks thing. It's very strange. But if it works, right? Do what works. Hey. What are your trading questions? My subscribers, my beloved subscribers, ask me your trading questions. On the market open, the price tends to rise for ETFs. It depends on the day, man. It depends on the time frame as well. The markets go up sometimes, and sometimes they go down. They do go up more than they go down, though. So, in a sense, you're right. What's Apple and SPY going to do tomorrow? Nobody can say that. Let's go band for band. What does it even mean? Wow. You guys are so random. Is anyone here interested in trading? Or are you guys all just like interested in fucking around? Ham for ham? Yeah, ham for ham's better than band for band, right? I agree with you, man. Long live ham. Canadian ham preferably, right? Or bacon, honestly. I'd rather have bacon than ham, now that I think about it, so. Let's go strip for strip. Bacon strip, that is. What's a good broker to use since everyone has switched over to Trade Locker? I don't know Trade Lockers. I've never heard of it. I like Tradeovate. I also use TradeStation, but I don't like it as much. I like Tradeovate the best. I like their statistics. Ninja Trader, which is the same as Tradeovate also, actually. So, yeah, I like Tradeovate. Tradeovate's good. Tradeovate with TradingView. So I don't know if you consider TradingView a broker, but I like TradingView, and I use TradingView. I think it's the best. Yeah, I think it's the best. Do you only trade futures? Oh my God, an actual question about trading. 20 minutes into a live stream Q&A on trading, and we finally got, ladies and gentlemen, we finally got a question about trading. Oh my God. Thank you so much for actually participating in the topic at hand. Okay, question. Do you only trade futures? Yes. Very interesting question. Actually, that's not true. I trade some crypto. I put a Ethereum trade on today. There was a weird scam going on in Australia with Binance. That's unfortunate. There's a lot of scams in crypto. You gotta watch that. You gotta watch that shit. Gotta be careful of that. You gotta be careful of that. Who else do I look like? You guys always tell me who people I look like. This guy said I look like Austin Theory. Who's Austin Theory? I want to look him up. Let's look him up. Okay. Yeah, I do look like Austin Theory. I just looked it up. He's a wrestler. Someone said I look like Austin Theory, the wrestler. That's a compliment because that guy's jacked. But I guess I'm kind of jacked too. Look at these fucking guns. Look at these fucking guns. Come on. Come on. Show me a trader with these kind of guns, man. I'll challenge any YouTube trader to a boxing match and I'll kick their ass. Okay. Looks like you guys have 0 questions about trading. So that's why I wanted to talk to you guys, was about trading. But you guys don't have any trading questions, so I don't know what to tell you. Do you have questions about trading? If you do, let me know. Otherwise, I'm going to get out of here. Do you trade through a prop firm or do you trade your own money? Both, actually. So I do have my own account with TradeStation, but I also trade with TopStep. And if you are interested in TopStep, use the link in the description of my latest video and you can try them out. And that's a good way to say thank you to me and also to get yourself a 30% discount. How about that? All right. Looks like you guys don't have any other trading questions. I'm tired of talking. So I think we're done here. Okay. Typical OJ needs some tips. That's not a question. If you want to participate in the Q&A, that means question and answer. You need to actually ask a question. So do you do one-on-one classes? I do offer paid coaching if you're interested. If you're interested, send me an email. tradesbybren@gmail.com. So yeah, if you're interested in paid coaching, go for it. Send me an email. We'll set some up. Okay, no more questions. I'll give you guys 20 seconds. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's it for the stream. Thank you for participating. I am live every Tuesday and Thursday at 7 a.m. Pacific. Okay, 7 a.m. Pacific. So if you're curious, check out the live stream, and I will trade live. You could come check me out there. And as always, I got more videos coming for you on this channel. So make sure to stay subscribed, hit the like button, and, share my videos with a friend, support the channel, help grow the movement because we're taking off, baby. We just hit 29,000 subscribers. We're going for 100,000. So join me. We're going to the moon, baby. Have a good rest of your night. I'm Bren. Peace.